Well, it appears that 2024 started with a bang, going down. If you look at the previous videos and charts that Neil and I have been posting for the past month, we were anticipating cracking the market. We got top tick on the NASDAQ. We caught the bottom there at the end of October, and the fractals will point the turns to the market. Now, on the swing system here, okay, um, the other night on a 20-minute time frame, we have a very typical decaying fractal. Okay, the trend is down. That's the top of the fractal. Here's the bottom. You break the bottom, the trend is down. Okay. Now getting the top tick there, I did take a chance saying it's going to go down. It did bounce up below, but the entire trend was down, which is continuing. Okay. That's on a 20-minute time frame. Now, in the morning, you got to swing to another time frame. We found one here on the 10-minute chart. Okay. A typical growth fractal. The top, the bottom, leg, dip, dip, rally. However, it failed. So we have a growth fractal that failed and went into decay. How do you do the trade? Well, you break the band here, all right, you can enter and you place a appropriate stop and the trend will continue down. How far? We don't know until we do another swing and find another fractal. Currently, we're looking at the smaller time frames for day traders, but if you're a investor, okay, long term, I believe we hit the top on all the major markets. Okay, so it's very bearish. Again, we've been watching this for a month, and I did uh, say that we would rally into December, top of January, and then we'll have a big turn down. So look at the other videos that we've been posting on YouTube and Twitter, and you'll see that we accurately got the bottom, got the top here in January, and until another fractal appears, again, we don't see any. Here's your top tick for 2004. I call that the big short. Okay. Now we have to be careful here because now we have a seven down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. If we break the bottom here, we're going to continue going out. All right. We're down to 34 points. So again, you have to swing and go examine a clear time frame. Right now, it appears to be the 8-hour time frame. Again, that's for the entire day. A lot can happen here. You want to concentrate on the smaller time frames for a turn. Okay. What we're doing, we're mining fractals. Now, Neil's going to do a YouTube video on finding the common standalone fractals, and that will probably help you a lot. But again, we're looking at a visual art form here. We're looking at a leg, a leg, a leg, a leg. Okay. 7 legs generally means a bottom, but we need a confirmation. And where do we get the confirmation? We get the confirmation up here on the microgrid on the smaller time frames. Okay. Here we don't have the other time frames. Nothing is appearing. Ignore them. All right, and move your grid so you can get a better picture. Okay, so now if you're a day trader, we're looking in this area here for a new fractal discovery, meaning when a fractal appears, a turn is imminent. All right. But again, we're looking for I'm looking for 5-10 points. On a trade, you have all day long. You have tomorrow. You have the entire week. All right. So, um, okay, now we're going back up here again. This 8-hour fractal may turn up here. We have a classic growth fractal. And I wouldn't be surprised if we held support here on the bottom and then attempt to rally. But again, long term, okay, I believe any rallies will fail and they represent a opportunity to do a trade on going down. Okay, so today we have some really nice fractals here. We have a 7 down here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. We're looking at legs. We're not looking at waves. Forget the waves, okay? We're looking at a leg. We're looking at a picture. But this, okay, if you went short last night at 88, look at that, 54, almost 30 points. Yeah, you can do this every day, every hour. One of the trades won't work out. Uh, Not the right word. They grow and decay. So if you find something growing, okay, naturally, at some point it will decay. So it's not right or wrong, either or. It's growing and decaying, growing and decaying. Okay. The sun comes out, the rain comes. All right. You have a cloudy day, and then the clouds disappear. It's not that you're right or wrong. You're following the market. We're mapping the market turns, and the fractals will give the market turns here. We'll find out what happens the rest of the day. But again, currently, if you did do a trade going down, I would take the 30 points and let it go at that. We can find something else. Now, Neil on his channel, he will point out all the common fractals for you. Okay, all you have to do, go to Neil, and he'll point out the picture for you. You take that picture and you apply it to other markets and other time frames. Okay, I did post. One reason they say the market's going down because treasury yields are rising. I did post that over the weekend. We had a typical growth fractal for the 10-year treasury yield. Okay, and sure enough, we have growth. How far are those yields going to go up? We don't know until we find another fractal. But currently, we got bottom tick on the yields there. So let's see what's going to happen. Looks pretty exciting here today. Hank Wernicke signing off.